Hello friends, Running Kimono here, Walgreens preview for the week of the 15th to the 21st, and happy Valentine's Day to all my wonderful subscribers. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and if you don't have a special Valentine, Gizmo wants to be your Valentine this year. Big thumbs up and hype for the cute little kitty cat. Okay, so the first thing, last Wednesday, a lot of us got boosters. One that's very notable is the 5 back when you spend 15 online or in store. And a lot of them are online exclusives. They want you to buy Walgreens brand items, 10 back when you spend 40 on select Heart Smart items. This is a 10 back when you spend 40 on Olay face creams. We're definitely going to investigate that for a curbside video. A 5 back when you buy 3 Huggies items. Very similar reward offers. I wish they would do these exclusively instead of register rewards, to be perfectly honest. We have a 5 back when you buy 3 dental care, and then a 10 back when you buy 3 Pampers items. Just the register rewards are great and all, but man, this is so much easier. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad and all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday the 15th. And for all of you that absolutely love Valentine's Day, Sunday the 15th, most Valentine's Day items, sometimes they exclude candy, but sometimes it's included. It should go 50% off. 70 and 80% will be quick, as they want the room for Easter stuff and then probably summer stuff. Okay, so this deal is absolutely fantastic. The Axe body wash for $5, $2 reward when you buy 2 with a 5 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these body washes, it's going to be 10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 5. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per Axe. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that $2 register reward. Another fantastic deal is the $5 Dove shampoo. Grabbing 2 of them, it's going to be $10. We have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon, so you'll pay 6. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have that 5 back when you spend 15, if you put Axe and Dove shampoo together, I think it makes it a complete freebie for the 4 items with that 5 back when you spend 15 booster. Obviously, for the balance, you'll have to use your debit card or cash or credit, but what a deal. Another great deal that we have is buy one, get one 50% off on OGX hair care. We have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. That 8 off is for the larger one, but for the smaller $9.99 bottles, we do have a 4 off a 2. Grabbing 2 of them at $9.99, buy one, get one 15% off. That's $14.98. Subtracting the 4 off a 2 digital coupon, you'll pay $10.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. The Garnier whole blends for $5.49. That's a pretty reasonable price. Haven't seen that in a couple of weeks. We have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of them for $10.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $7.98. Getting back a $3 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but we haven't seen that price in a couple of months, so if you want to stock up on whole blends, this is not a bad price point. For all the new Walgreens shoppers out there, if you are completely in the weeds with what I'm talking about, register rewards, boosters, blah, 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 in the notes of this video, there's a video on how to start couponing at Walgreens. Check it out. Lots of this can be very intimidating on the first go, but that video is in the notes, or if you just need a quick brush up, also it's in the notes of this video. Okay, we have the $6 Tresemme. This is last week's deal, but it's still ongoing. If you did not do it, I would stock up. Tresemme is a great line of shampoo. 2 of the shampoos at $6 a pop, that's $12. Subtracting the 4 off a 2 digital, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2, which is not a bad price point. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. The $6.99 Quilted Northern and Brawny or Angel Soft, whichever ones you want to grab. There are dollar digital coupons for both of those paper products. So grabbing 2 of them for $13.98, subtracting $2 of coupons, you're paying $11.98, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per fancy paper product. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but I know a lot of you prefer the fancier paper products. Now, for those of you that don't care about fancy, the Scott's toilet paper is on a buy one get one free promotion, and last weekend we got a 2 off a 2 digital. Grabbing 2 of those, it's going to be $7.50. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but to pay $2.75 for a bag of 12, this is exactly what we're talking about on how to save money for household essential needs. And this deal is still ongoing for the $3.50 Oral-B brushes or the Crest toothpaste. Buying 3 of them, you're going to get back a $5 register reward. Buying 3 of these items, it's $10.50. Subtracting that 5 off 3 digital coupon, you're paying $5.50, getting back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but for 16 cents, this is really the dental care deal of the week, in my humble opinion. This one I'm not sure about. If that's a 6 off of 4, you're basically getting each unit for $2, which is a past deal for this girl. But if it's a 6 off of 3, maybe a deal. We'll have to wait and see what that $6 mystery coupon is. Certainly has my interest whenever you can get soft soap, these large containers, for $1.74 per unit. Definitely a deal I would do with the 5 off 2 digital coupon. IBOTTA currently has a rebate of $1.50 back of a limit up to 1 time. Scan it with IBOTTA before you buy it and make sure the rebate is there. But here's the deal. 2 of these is $11.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $6.98, getting back a $2 register reward and $1.50 back from IBOTTA, making it $3.48 for the 2 or $1.74 per soft soap refill. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to a 4 for $10 Febreze Mr. Clean products. The magic erasers are part of this. I don't remember magic erasers being part of this for a while. This is one item I do go through, especially when I'm deep cleaning my bathtub. Definitely for $2.50, I'm stocking up on that product. Another great one is the 4 for $10 on this P&G laundry care, including the Downy, the Bounce dryer sheets. Stock up, guys. The Walgreens aluminum foil and plastic wrap and parchment paper is buy one, get one free. Our magic bags that are on a buy one, get 2 for free, I still don't see them in the flyer, so when it does appear, I'll let you guys know, but I still don't see them. The Pampers, again, buy 3, get $10 of Walgreens cash. That's an online-only deal. On Monday, we will definitely investigate that for all the parents out there or people that need diapers. We'll definitely make a deal for that one. And then we also have a 3 for $15.99 for the Coke products. I know a lot of you really like soda, so I would definitely do that deal. Look, one of them's $11.99, but 3 for $15.99, not a bad little deal. And yet another soda deal is the buy 2, get 1 for free on the Canada Dry Dr. Pepper products. And in case you missed it, the Dollar General is having a clearance event from the 27th to March the 1st, a 3-day affair. There is a lot of coupons you should be loading right now before they vanish or disappear. I'll link this video at the very end if you want to watch it. And this is all new merchandise I went out and photographed. Check it out. It's linked right here. Bye, guys.